And now we move to our App of the Week, where Warren demonstrates the converter AVS.
This is demonstrating AVS. AVS is a media conversion tool. In other words, you can use AVS to convert one audio format to another or convert one video format to another. I'll be demonstrating AVS using my Pixel 5a with Android 12 and TalkBack 12.1. For speech services, I am using the Rod voice from the Acapella group. I am on my home screen now and navigating my way to AVS. I'll find and tap on it.
AVS.
Here's AVS and I'll tap here.
AVS. V5.1. AVS. More options. Button.
I am now in the menu UI of AVS, and upon launching it, you heard it say More Options. The More Options is found near the top right corner of the phone. And then going from there to the left corner, we have a couple items. We've got Add, and to the right of that,
My Conversions.
My Conversions, in other words, files that I have converted. Tapping on Add will take us to where we could choose a file and convert. Let's go ahead now and look at what the More Options has. I'll now find my More Options on the top right corner and tap on it.
More Options. Button.
Here's the More Options. I'll tap here.
Pop-up window. Clear all. In list.
Tapping on More Options, we've got Clear All.
My converted files. Showing items 1 to 8 of 8.
Next.
Add file.
Add files.
Add audio from Android library. Add video from Android library. Rate us. Help us to translate. Privacy policy.
And privacy policy, that's the last item. I will now go back to the menu UI.
AVS.
I am back to the menu UI, and this time I'm going to focus on the Add button, which is found near the top left corner.
Add.
Here's Add.
AVS. Please select what kind of files you want to convert.
Upon tapping on Add, we are told to choose the type of file we want to convert. We've got, starting from the top left, we've got
Video. Select video from library.
There's video to the right of that.
Video from SD card. AVMOV FLV MP4 miles per gallon Bob MPG1 MPG2.
Basically, it's telling us the different file formats. Now, below the first item, we got
Audio from SD card. MP3
audio from an SD card. And below that, we have
Batch video. Convert multiple videos.
Or to the right of that,
Batch audio. Convert multiple audio.
Those are the items that we have. I will tap on the second one below the top one, and that would be the audio.
Audio from SD card. MP3.
Audio from SD card, basically from a storage.
Choose files. If file user activity button go back button disabled.
Upon tapping on choose file or audio file, I am placed directly in my music folder. However, you could choose a different folder or location that has the file that you would like to convert. By that, you will find and tap on
Emulated.
You could tap where it says emulated, and that would take you to where you could go find the file that you're looking for in a particular folder. As I indicated, I am in the music folder, and I have copied one file in here called Highlights from TalkBack, one of my many Highlights from TalkBack recordings.
Highlights from TalkBack _ installment 15 _ editing with one finger.wav.
So I have it as a .wav format, and I'm going to tap here to select it.
AVS. Highlights from TalkBack _ installment 15 _ editing with one finger.wav. Out.
Upon tapping on Highlights from TalkBack, here are the items that we're presented with. Starting from the top, we've got
highlights from talkback_installment 15_ with one finger. W.
it tells us the title of the audio, and below that we hear
Audio PCM_S24LE 44,100 Hz, 2 channels, S32 24-bit, 2116 kilobits/s.
it tells us about the properties of the audio that we're dealing with. Now below that we have several items. Starting from the left, we've got the following buttons.
Play,
We've got play, and I'm going right from here.
convert,
Metadata,
trim,
set
ringtone,
you could set it as a ringtone,
rename,
move,
share,
delete, and delete. Below all of those buttons, then we get the following.
file details,
We got file details, and of course it will tell us all that we saw earlier, except that they are separated from one another. And here's what we got.
highlights from talkback_installment 15
That's the title,
/storage/emulated/0/
and it tells us where the file is located.
238.76 megabytes,
Tells us how big the file is.
0, 15 and 46 seconds.
And 15 minutes and 46 seconds is the length of the file.
Audio details,
Audio details,
codec,
the codec,
PCM_S24,
and it tells us this is a WAV file. We keep going.
frequency, 44,100,
Keep going.
channel, 2 channels,
Keep going.
bitrate,
The bitrate.
dash, metadata, title, dash, album, dash, artist, dash, track, dash, year, dash, genre, dash.
And that's the last one. Now let's go back to the top and find the second button, which is the convert from the left, and tap on it.
Convert.
Here's our convert. I'll tap.
AVS. More options. Button.
Tapping on the convert, here's what we got. Starting from the top.
Highlights from talkback_installment 15 audio PCM_S24LE 44 duration 0, 15 and preset.
Here's the presets.
Drop down list. Audio only. Keep only audio track. Audio only.
We have audio only.
Audio track. Switch on. Disabled. Codec.
And we could choose the conversion codec.
Drop down list. MP3. MP3.
It is converting it to MP3. However, if we want to change it into a different format, all that needs to happen is to tap here and go choose a different format. I'll tap here and show you what I'm talking about.
Pop-up window. AAC. In list.
Tapping on that drop box, we have AAC,
FLAC.
FLAC,
Showing items M4A. MP3. Check. MP2. OGG.
that's WMA, that says MA.
OGG. MP2.
I'm going to go back to MP3.
MP3. Checked.
Tap.
AVS. Drop down list. MP3.
Now below that we have
Frequency. Drop down list. Same as original. Same as
frequency, same as original.
channel. Drop down list. Stereo. Stereo.
Keep going.
Bitrate. Drop down list. 128.
You can go in here and change the bitrate.
Trimmer. Switch off.
And if you're going to trim it,
Output folder.
output folder.
Save in.
In other words, choose where you want the output to go to.
/storage/emulated/0/save/.
So it's going to save them by default to the AVS folder, or
Pick.
you could tap here to pick where you want it.
Delete original file after conversion.
And you could choose the delete original file after conversion is completed, or
Cancel.
Cancel. That is how you use the AVS converter. Now you have a tool that you could use in converting your audio or video files. And that has been AVS.